We had a bit of a terrible day yesterday. A series of really irritating events happened. Our brush cutter died. Even though we'd fixed it the night before and we thought, right, we 100% know what the problem is, took it all apart, put it back together, it worked, and then we bring it up to the woodland and it completely died. So brush cutting is out of the question today. We've still got so many brambles to clear. It's going to be an ongoing, continuous job, I think. And then to top it off, the camera decided to die as well. One of the first things we want to do up here is to build a shelter. To do that, we need to chop down a lot of timber. Yeah, so I think today our hope is to go and start felling some trees. We've managed to clear a little bit of a path up into the forest so we can get to some timber. The timber isn't big, but it's really heavy with the two of us. I don't know how we're gonna get the big stuff out. I'm gonna go and show you the path now. We're gonna have a walk up there. This is the woodland path that we've created, walking away from the base camp. When I filmed the video, it was completely out of focus. That's why we're having a voiceover and a drone shot here. And I mean, we could not walk through this woodland at all, it was so dense. But it's so nice now to be able to have a look at the lay of the land and see what's the topography. And you know, when we looked on maps, we couldn't tell really what was underneath, but now we know that there's these hillocks and ravines and rocky outcrops, and it's just so nice to be able to see the trees that we've got and walk across the land. And also, of course, extract the timber, because we need such a lot of timber for the projects that we're going to do. But we've also got a lot of trees, so it's okay.